So during that time frame, people are going to get their ducks in a row. And if you want to capture significant volume, you want to get 100,000 in your network, or you want to get 1 million even in your network, then you need to start now, okay? Now, one thing that's going to be unique and different about this limited time offer with Gamma is it's going to be a worldwide launch. First time ever. Just think about the supply chain pressure that will be applied to get this to happen, to get enough Gamma all over the world. We have a group in Provo, Utah. It's Global Product Supply, and their job is to take orders from these regions around the world and then supply product. Guess what the pre-orders are already from Southeast Asia, from the China region, from Japan, from the European region, from the Americas and South America and so forth. Guess what the pre-orders are from the regions that they're requesting Nu Skin Global Product Supply fulfill into their warehouses for the launch of Gamma? More than $500 million. That's the orders right now, just the pre-orders from the regions. This is going to make history, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about the biggest product launches of all time. You know, Apple owns both of them. About 15 months ago, they launched the iPhone 4S. That's when the world got introduced to Siri, and they set the record with 1 million phones sold the first day. And then, 6 weeks ago right now, they launched the iPhone 5. And Apple was able to convince literally tens of thousands of people to sleep on concrete, on sidewalks, outside of their Apple stores all over the world, and wait in line for a product they had never seen, they'd never touched, they'd never even understood the functions or what the new features were really. And just because of Apple's reputation, they smashed their previous record and sold 2 million phones in the first 24 hours. How do they do that? It's because consumers have confidence in the track record of Apple. How can we tell you with such a high degree of confidence that Gamma is going to sell out before it launches? How can we even say that? How can we get people to line up and put out their credit card? Because we can do it because we have proven AgeLock already, and because we have proven the LTO launch process already. People already have a high degree of confidence because of our previous track record, exactly like Apple, okay? How big will the Gamma launch be? I don't know, but it's going to be hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars, folks. It could be more than 500. It could be more than 600. If you stop and say, let's assume Apple revenues $300 for iPhone 5, 2 million phones times $300, that's $600 million in revenue the first day of the iPhone 5. Now, we're probably going to do this in a couple of days. It probably won't all be in one day on October 24th. It may take us a week. But let's talk about the size of Apple. How big's Apple? Over $120 billion a year in revenue for Apple. How big's Nu Skin? $2 billion for Nu Skin. They are 60 times larger than we are. To think that we could even approximate, that we could even come close to the iPhone 5 launch, which is the biggest single product launch in history, that this little company, Nu Skin, could launch a first ever genetic approach to weight loss, and that we could end up knocking on Apple's door is unthinkable. You know, literally. It's just, are you starting to understand the scope of what we're talking about here? Are you starting to get what you ought to be thinking about and what you ought to be doing if you're going to participate with us? I hope you are. This company has the wherewithal to support this kind of launch. We've received more accolades than literally anybody in our industry. We are the mover. We're the one that is making hay in this marketplace today. And you can go check any of these great, accolades and awards and statistics. We're publicly traded, and you can find it all out for yourself. We're spending huge sums of money to keep up with this growth. We're more than doubling the size of our office space in our headquarters in Provo, Utah, as you can see with this rendering here. We have a tremendous program to not only be successful ourselves, but to share that success with those that are less fortunate than we are. We are now one of the major providers of nutritious meals for children to the United Nations Save the Children program, one of the biggest donors in the world. Distributors like you and I have the privilege of feeding children every month by donating these bags of Vitamilk And here's where this plays in to the launch of Gamma, even plays into my victory today. Anybody who's listening right now, if you decide to get on Nu Skin's weight management products and you get on a month supply of our products, Nu Skin will donate 10 meals in your behalf to feeding starving children around the world, okay? And if you have two friends that want to join you, so all three of you decide to get on it, you're going to support each other and be a small weight loss team, okay? Then they will feed a child a meal a day for a month. That's what Nu Skin's committed to do. We don't have a food problem in this world. We have plenty of food for everybody. What we have is a distribution problem. And we have some countries, like North America, U.S. and Canada, where we have too much food, and it's killing us. In fact, it's going to bankrupt our countries. And we have other places that don't have enough food that are dying because of it. Shouldn't we balance the scales? This program allows you to participate in a small way in making a big difference in saving thousands of lives around the world, and hopefully will provide you with some additional motivation to help you stick with it and lose your weight here so you can save lives there. What a great program. It's just phenomenal what this company is doing. I'm on point number 4 now, which is compensation. We said in the beginning, you have to have enough compensation to motivate people. And I want to just speak quickly about these 3 key areas in our compensation plan and show you the amount of money that you can earn that will come into your bank account every single month by participating in this compensation plan. And this becomes kind of a third pillar because this plan is also proven. It's another reason we speak with such a high degree of confidence about what's going to happen. In our plan, we have a position called executive. You need to become an executive as soon as possible. When you become an executive, then you can really play the game for real with Nu Skin. When you're an executive, you can now go out and create other executives on your front line. When you create 4 executives on your front line, you are what we call a Ruby executive. The average income for all Rubies worldwide in this company last year was $31,860, okay? That's about $2,700 a month coming into your bank account. The average time that it takes a new person from the day they hear something like you're hearing right now, and they say, interesting, I'm going to do this, they enroll in 12 months on average, they can become a Ruby executive. That's the average time that it takes all the people who have accomplished that in the past 12 months. So you start part-time on the side. You don't quit your day job just yet. You do this evenings and weekends, and you end up at the end of a year with $2,700 a month coming in. What is wrong with that? Nothing is wrong with that. That is pretty incredible, especially given the fact you really had no financial risk in doing that. Very, very minimal, okay? Once you build those 4 and you solidify them, then you go get the next 4. Now you have 8 executives on your front line. You now are a diamond executive in Nu Skin. The average income for all diamond executives last year worldwide was $127,500. Just a little bit more than $11,000 a month coming into your bank account, or just under $11,000 a month coming in your bank account. Now, the average time that it takes people to achieve this average diamond income is 30 months, 2.5 years from the day they start. What have you been doing the last 2.5 years? Are you making nearly $11,000 a month in and month out? I didn't think so. You know, have you been doing something for 30 months? Have you been working somewhere or doing some business for 30 months, you know, to pay your bills? Are you making that kind of income? Probably not. You know, you should have started this 30 months ago because you could basically be done by now. Okay, so that's diamond. And then the last step, when you solidify those 8, you go get the last 4. And that gives you 12 executives on your front line. The average income worldwide for all those people at that position last year was $582,660, just around $48,000 a month coming into your bank. The average time that it took all those people to achieve the average blue diamond income is 7 years. That's a global average from the day they started. Okay, how many of you have been doing something for 7 years to pay your bills? You know, are you making $48,000 a month? I didn't think so. You know, maybe you need to consider this, because even if it took you 10 years to end up with recurring income, that just shows up in your bank account every month, and you are taken care of for the rest of your life, right through retirement, right through everything else, and you can will that business to your children. Recurring income, there is nothing like it, okay? It would be worth it. It would be worth it to do it if it took you 20 years. It would be worth it, because most of you have already put in 20 years somewhere, and you're not even close. And if you don't show up, you're not going to get paid, okay? So this is totally unique, totally different, a really difficult kind of income to achieve, but completely possible right here at Nu Skin. Now, these are historical averages. You can take these and you can throw them out the window, in my opinion, over the next 49 weeks. Gamma is going to open an entry point that will allow serious, focused, aggressive people to get in this game, and they will achieve these top positions in the next 49 weeks. You watch. It's going to happen. So we are playing the accelerated game of Nu Skin right now with the launch of Gamma, and it is very, very serious. Do not take it lightly, okay? Nu Skin has now paid more than $8 billion out of this compensation plan since the inception of the company back to distributors and commissions. It looks like we could clip the $9 billion paid mark by the end of this year. This year, Nu Skin is going to do 2.0, maybe 2.1 billion in revenue, and we will pay more than $900 million this year. Last year was $750 million plus. This year will be $900 million, and next year will be our first billion-dollar commission year. In 2010, Nu Skin made a new millionaire every 6 days. In 2011, we made a new millionaire every 5 days. And in 2012, Nu Skin is making a new millionaire every 4 days. Can you see the acceleration? It's going to accelerate much quicker with Gamma. Next year, it could even be every 3 days. Someday, I don't know when it's going to be, whether it's 3 years, 5 years, whatever, there will be a day when Nu Skin will make a new millionaire every single day. Who is doing that anywhere in the world? No one is doing that, okay? These distributors have now gotten to the point where they've earned over $1 million in cumulative commissions since joining Nu Skin, and we are accelerating that number. That can be you. And if you want to participate, then join now. We've got multiple options here for you. There's 4 different choices you can make, okay, that are on the screen in front of you here. You know, if you can only afford $360 and get one of these packages, or get 2 of them if you're interested in something else, and get started now. But if you want to accelerate because you believe Gamma is going to be the blockbuster that we know it will be, then buy 3 of these packages. And when you buy 3 of these packages and you place your next order with Nu Skin that's more than $200, they'll give you a 4th package free. Okay? So you can get all of them, and you can get them for the price of 3 packages. Why do we want you to buy 3 packages? Because that action alone will not resolve. I want to say that action alone will satisfy the first requirement for you to become an executive in Nu Skin. So then you can play the game immediately and start getting those 12 executives in place. All right? So that's why you would do this, and I would encourage you to do so. The timing, point number 5, is everything, right? Got to be at the right place at the right time with the right opportunity. Last year, Nu Skin did $1.7 billion and change in 2011. This year is going to be over $2 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go over $5 billion. I don't know for sure when, 5 years, 6 years. This is real opportunity. That's the hardest thing to find anywhere in the world, is true, real opportunity. Everybody wants you to think they have something that's opportunity. Most of them are not. This is real opportunity with a company that gets it, that is committed to reinvesting in this business, to keep plowing the profits back in, to purchase new technologies, to make these things happen. When you grow a company by $3 billion, that's opportunity. There's enough room there for anybody who wants to get in this business, hit this entry point of Gamma, and make their whole future look completely different than it is today. And it's not just Gamma we're talking about. Okay, yeah, Gamma is what's on board for next year, for October of 2013. Gamma is nothing more than the core piece of the pie. I watched people on the opening of Japan, carve off 1% of the market, and it changed their life forever financially. I watched some people get 3%, 5%, 8%, 12%. I watched one person get 50% of that market, and today they're still the highest paid distributor in the history of this company, okay? Gamma is like the core piece of the pie. This is where it starts right now for you. If you can just shave off just a sliver of that core piece of the pie, look how it expands in 2015 with the launch of Alpha, another amazing product that's already in R&D. You know, it's deep in the bowels of Nu Skin Laboratories, and it's being worked on right now. Look how that small piece of that pie just expands during 2015. And then we have another one in 17, another one in 2019. All of a sudden, your very small piece of that core section of the pie ends up becoming significant volume that literally takes care of you for the rest of your life. We could not be more excited about what is taking place right now with the coming launch of Gamma. I don't think there's anything that any of you listening could do over the next 49 weeks that can have a greater long-term impact for the rest of your life than being aggressively involved in the launch of Gamma now.